all you have to do is literally ask, and they will provide an ice bucket. Yeah, I got an ice bucket in here, like whatever you need. If you need extra soap, even if you forgot like maybe little toiletries like the air cleaners or toothbrush, toothpaste, they will provide it. Just be nice. Hey, excuse me, I forgot this. Can you provide it? Now you ask the wrong person, the wrong time, the wrong attitude, wrong tone of voice. They're gonna look at you and say, go buy it. I think the first or second floor is like something like a little medical store, and then on floor 4, each ship gonna be different, so whatever flow, they'll have like fun shops. They'll have little things if you might need like personal hygiene items, something like that, but it is going to be overcharged. Hey Glam Crew, I just want to say I love us, because wherever we go, we gonna hype each other up. We gonna hype each other up. And I love the others too. I love the Pale Crew. I don't even got nicknames for everybody, but I love them too. Cause y'all, I could not get my dress zipped up. And I saw this girl down the hallway, her and her boyfriend. I was like, ooh, she a little skinny girl, but I need her help. And she came in. I was like, can you help me zip my dress? And she was like, yes. And then her nails, I was like, oh, your nails. And then her boyfriend, he like pulled and zipped it. And I was like, thank y'all. And she was like, don't worry, we're gonna get you in it. My nails are getting in the way, but don't worry. And she got her boyfriend and he zipped and pulled. I was like, and he was there. Oh my goodness, he is such a supportive boyfriend. He was like, that's right, girl power, girls supporting each other and looking out for each other. And I was like, go ahead, boyfriend. I can't wait to get one of them. So y'all, I was late getting ready for dinner. I was asleep. Let me tell y'all, I was knocked out. So remember I told y'all you can get a lot of items for free from Carnival. So boom, this is my list of things that I needed it and wanted it, and they provided it. So boom, they got wine glasses. I'm gonna be doing mimosas in the morning, and I should have asked for a bottle opener, because if you take this to a restaurant, it is a fee. But since I bought a bottle last night, I'm going to see if like they'll just open it for me without charging nothing. But the glasses that's usually in here is not the wine glasses, and honestly it looked dingy to me, so getting it switched out was necessary anyhow. Extension cord right there. Why? There's only one charger in here, one electrical outlet, and it's outlet all the way over here, y'all. That's not going to reach the bed. I have multiple phones, game systems, and all that. They got me an extension cord, and boom. Bathrobe. This bathrobe is soft too. Give me a bathrobe. Yep. So when I first get out the shower, I can wrap up in this nice little Carnival bathrobe. Soft blue blanket. So I like to do my dine-in movies, and usually outside. If you've never been on a cruise, let me tell y'all, it is windy out there. The wind is winding, right? A lot of people get a towel and wrap up in like one of those blue towels, or the towels that's outside. Like the thick Serenity towels are nice, they yellow. But you get a robe, or you can get a soft blue blanket. But we got a balcony, so my son is out here. Hi buddy, you okay? So we are outside. He is outside on the balcony, and we got a soft blue blanket and an extra pillow, because we're not about to take this pillow from out here and have it on our bed. Can't really see too much out here, but my son out here doing his thing. So get you a soft blue blanket and extra pillow. And he said he my room steward said he didn't have a mattress topper, but he put something on here and I don't feel the crack in the middle of the bed, and it is a little bit more softer, more soft. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say? But all you have to do is literally ask and they will provide an ice bucket. Yeah, I got an ice bucket in here, like whatever you need. If you need extra soap, even if you forgot like maybe little toiletries like the air cleaners or toothbrush, toothpaste, they will provide it. Just be nice. Hey, excuse me, I forgot this, can you provide it? Now you ask the wrong person, the wrong time, the wrong attitude, wrong tone of voice, they're gonna look at you and say go buy it. I think the first or second floor is like something like a little medical store, and then on floor 4, each ship gonna be different, so whatever flow, they'll have like fun shops, they'll have little things if you might need like personal hygiene items, something like that, but it is going to be overcharged. I might do a video where I go up there and just show you all what they have in case you forget something at home or need more, and how much it costs, because I'm not gonna buy none of that extra stuff on the ship because it'd be too much. This man up there just on, hey captain. So let me show y'all outside, y'all. So me and my son, we had breakfast in our room, and it was just continental breakfast. I know you got continental breakfast. You can do continental breakfast in your room, and it's free of charge. It's also served in the buffet area. But if you just want to have breakfast in your room, go ahead. We was out on our balcony eating breakfast, enjoying life. Look at him. He's fine too, y'all. So I'm trying to make my way to the Serenity deck. Kids Club open today, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That is where my child is. We are in the Serenity area, adults only. Let me see if there's a bed open. I found one yesterday in the corner. Alright guys.
I think it's 8. She picked 8. Yeah, 8.
I'm
but
a
it looked like
judge.
it's more in that line than 8. No, 8.
Legends of the Lido.
If I could join one, I would.
Oh, you wanted to do
I
it?
prefer that. You wanted to be a part of it? Yeah, because I'm an actor. I'm a dancer. All right now. Oh, you wanna tippy toes? Yeah, I would do all that.
New York is ready.
That's it. 305. Home to the DJ Cali.
305.
305. DJ Cali.
Atlanta, Georgia in the house. And then we got New York in the house. Look, she trying to go compete.
Yeah, I was raising my hand, but you didn't see me.
Okay, so it's only 8,
right?
Hey.
And I just have to write the total for everybody.
So an animal's round, they're gonna eliminate 3.
Okay.
The lowest scores, right? I'm gonna line up when they finish. We're gonna line up there for 1 to 8, and then you eliminate 3. Okay. They're gonna have medals, and then you give the medals to ones that are leaving.
I need a good. There you go. Jumping jacks.
Let's see you ready. And all the judges get out of the judge you all. So say,
Elephant. Okay, you're getting good with these animals now.
Okay, yeah. Elephant. But you got the thing for the everybody gave her tens.
Ladies and ladies, everybody make some noise. You know what? It's very tight, so I think we need to go with the conga line, ladies and gentlemen. If you think Erica needs to win this competition, you're gonna follow us on the conga line. If you think Richard deserves to win this competition, you're gonna follow Sally and Richard right there. Okay? So come on, join us with this conga line! Come on! Okay!
I'm at the casino, y'all. Sounds like a winner. What do I think? Oh, I won $10.80. I made my $10 back. Let me quit while I'm up. I think I need to quit while I'm up, y'all. I won my money back. So I am back at the port in Cozumel, and this is, oh, the iguanas are in here. The iguanas I ate in Honduras. Their cousins is in here. So let's check out the iguana cousins, because their asses was salty. Let me flip the camera around so we can find it. The sign right here says, do not disturb the iguanas. Well, I already ate y'all cousins, so it's alright. Where they at? I was eating your cousins. Delicioso. Ooh. That was a bird, y'all. I was scared. I did tequila tasting twice. Real tequila. Not that stuff y'all be having. Real tequila.